everyone, and welcome to spring in Michigan. I just had to get that out, guys. Very frustrated with our weather today. Welcome to Southern Motors, guys. Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just an absolutely stunning 1929 Ford two-door Woody Wagon. Killer car, guys. I took this thing in on trade from a guy to Virginia. Complete nut and bolt frame off restoration. It's got 890 miles on it since it was completed. You will not find a nicer Woody for this kind of money. I will tell you that right now. This is a gorgeous car. Runs and drives outstanding. Very well done. I mean, this is a nice car. It's all maple wood. It's got a steel cage behind it. I've got pictures and receipts for the restoration. Again, very nicely done. All steel and wood. You can see I love the look. It's got a two-tone brown with a really cool set of steel caps and the dog dish caps and steel wheels. It's all Pete and Jake's front suspension. It's got a 4-inch drop axle on the front, and I'm telling you guys, unfortunately, we got weather. Yeah, it is spring into Michigan, if you can believe this. But I drove the car before we got this weather, and man, I'm telling you, this is a just outstanding little car. It's on a Brookville chassis that's been stretched 3 inches, and again, it is gorgeous. The paint. I saw a couple little stone pecks on it, but other than that, that is about it. It is a gorgeous car. It's got a custom headlight bar. We got the hood open right now, just so the guys can get to it really easy. It's actually got an inside hood release. This flips over, and you can take the shells off if you want. You can see it's got the crank out windshield. It's got the Hartz top. Gorgeous maple wood on this. Fit and finish is outstanding. All new glass. Wicked cool car, man. Turn the key, take it right to the show. It's body color underneath. I mean, just super nice. I can't say enough about this thing. It is a great car. This is easily a $100,000 build, I'll tell you that right now. Sits good. And like I say, the fit and finish is outstanding on it. It drives excellent. Got great sound. Again, it's all body color underneath. I'm getting ready to leave for a car show, man. I'll be honest with you, I'd love to take this little thing with me and cruise it. It'd be a blast down there on the beach. Look at these guys. It's got an inside hood release. That's how you release it. Nope, Eddie. No, we're not going to start it yet, Mike. Just going to show these guys. Go ahead and open that for me, Eddie. Actually, I might have pushed it the wrong way today. Is it open? There it is. No, it's open. Sorry. Just hold it because I don't want the wind to blow it or anything like that. 289 Ford V8, Edelbrock 4-barrel. It's got a Holley Dominator intake. It's got stock style exhaust manifolds. Does have front disc brakes, finned aluminum valve cover. It's got a Cadillac air cleaner. Go ahead and give me that. And then again, it's got the inside release. We'll just go ahead and leave it open. Again, all Pete and Jake's front suspension with a 4-inch drop bar. Just a super cool car, man. And again, you can see very nice. Little visor, again, crank out windshield, electric wipers. It's got the dual chrome mirrors. Like I say, fit and finish, outstanding on this car. All custom latches. These are super cool. These are the windows. You just loosen them up, slide them up. Both sides and the rear, they're all functional. And look how nice the wood is. Bronco front bucket seats, or rear seat as well. Beautiful steering wheel, a couple little cracks I saw in it. It's got a VDO custom gauge cluster. Uga horn, like I say, electric wipers. Look at the headliner. How freaking cool is this car? It is gorgeous. And again, the fit and look how nice the doors shut. Outstanding. C4 automatic trans, got an 8-inch Ford rear. It's got dual exhaust. All these are locked too. I got the keys for them. This opens all the way up. I'm not going to open it, but it's got two little latches here. But it's all really nicely done. Receipts, photos, custom license plate that he had with it. What a cool car. Again, it's all steel caged with the wood. So that thing is going nowhere. Show you the underneath of the car. Got some good pictures of it. Like I say, take it to a show, put mirrors underneath it. It's that kind of car. 8-inch Ford rear end. Beautifully done. 17 degrees, guys. I can't believe it. But good thing is I'm leaving for a car show, so it'll be 60s or something wherever I'm at. Seats are all redone. I mean, the craftsmanship of this car is outstanding. Power switch. It's got a push button. Matter of fact, we've got the power on. I'll kind of show you. So that's power off. You turn it all the way over. You got to have your foot on the brake. Push button for the start, and it fires right up. 890 miles on it, if you can see that. You got to turn the power switch on, Mike. Remember, you got to have your foot on the brake to start it too. Yep. Look at this. You got the back locks to the front. Sorry, guys. Great sound. Like I say, runs and drives outstanding. Show the gauges on the other side, but all the gauges are functional. Car holds good oil pressure. It's amazing how nice this car is. LEDs, yep, LED brake lights. You see those a little better in the, of course it doesn't have any reverse lights. Give a little rev, Mike. Great sound. No radio or anything like that. You see all the gauges are functional. Just a cool car, man. Electric wipers. Headlight should pull down. It's the black switch. It's got the Yuga horn. It should be to your left. But not, nope, on the left underneath the bed. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time we post a new video, guys. Great way to keep track of the new stuff. Have a great day, guys.